Hello friends, welcome to Study with Harshit. Today I am going to share with you complete revision of Unit 3rd Management Information System. Unit 1 and Unit 2 revision is already uploaded on our YouTube channel Study with Harshit. I am also share the link in description. Managing data resources. Data management is the process of storing, organizing and maintaining the data created and collected by an organization. The data management process includes a combination of different functions that collectively aim to ensure that the data in corporate system is accurate, available and accessible. Need of data management to reduce data loss, to make data easily available, to reduce cost, to help in decision making, to increase productivity. Challenges of data management. Multiple data storage, data quality, lack of processes and systems, data integration, data security, data independence, data redundancy, data consistency, database administration. Data quality. Data quality is one of the most data management problems confronting many companies today. Most businesses utilize a database to update information. However, maintaining data quality becomes difficult while processing or recording information. Lack of processes and systems. When data is gathered from many sources, inconsistency in the data is unavoidable. Inadequate data management processes and systems contribute to inaccurate data. As a result of the insufficient amount of data, the data is of poor quality and does not fulfill the criteria. Data integration. The ultimate purpose of having quality ready data is to have it available for future analysis and processing by other business intelligence tools in order to deliver it to senior management for more informed decision making. The ability to effortlessly integrate this data with the many tools available will simplify your life and help you speed up the processing step. Data security. It is a significant challenge that causes concern among organizations when compared to other data related concerns. It is one of the most difficult for them. Data is a very valuable asset that is gathered after careful study and resource allocation. It contains sensitive information that might be harmful to both company and the respondent in a variety of ways. Data independence. Changing the storage device for location of file does not affect the table or attribute of data. Changing physical level does not affect the logical level or external level. Change at any level of database should not affect to its next level. Logical data independence. Logical data is data about database, that is, it stores information about how data is managed inside. For example, a table is stored in the database and all its constraints applied on the relation. Physical data independence. All the schemas are logical and the actual data is stored in bit format on the disk. Physical data independence is the power to change the physical data without impacting the schema or logical data. Data redundancy. In computer, many memory, auxiliary storage and computer buses, data redundancy is the existence of data that is additional to the actual data and permits correction of errors in stored or transmitted data. The additional data can simplify be a complete copy of the actual data or only select piece of data that allow detection of errors and reconstruction of loss or damaged data up to a certain level. Storing the same data in multiple location file. Data redundancy is the condition created within a database or data store technology in which the same piece of data is held in two separate places. Data consistency. Data consistency refers to when same data kept at different places do not match. Data consistency refers to whether the same data is kept at different place are same. Database administration. Database administration refers to the whole set of activities performed by a database administrator to ensure that a database is always available as needed. Other closely related tasks and roles are database security, database monitoring and troubleshooting, and planning for future growth. Database administration is an important function in any organization that is dependent on one or more databases. Data administration meaning managing the overall data of organization. Database. The main purpose of the database is to operate a large amount of information by storing, retrieving, and managing data. Database handlers create database. A database is an organized collection of structured information or data typically stored electronically in a computer system. A database is usually controlled by an database management system. Database Management System DBMS. A database management system is essentially nothing more than a computerized data keeping system. It provides protection and security to the database. In case of multiple users, it also maintains data consistency. DBMS provides an interface to perform various operations like database creation, storing data in it, updating data, creating a table in the database, and a lot more. DBMS allowed user tasks. Data definition. It is used for creation, modification, and removal of definition that define the organization of data in the database. Data updation. It is used for the insertion, modification, and deletion of the actual data in the database. Characteristics of DBMS. It can reduce the complex relationship between data. It is used to support manipulation and processing of data. It is used to provide security of data. It can provide a clear and logical view of the process that manipulate data. DBMS contains automatic backup and recovery procedure. Advantages of DBMS. Controls database redundancy. It can control data redundancy because it stores all the data in one single database file and that record data in placed in the database. Data sharing. The authorized user of an organization can share the data among multiple users. Easily maintenance. It can be easily maintainable due to the centralized nature of the database system. Reduced time. It reduces development time and maintenance needed. Backup. It provides backup and recovery subsystem which create automatic backup of data from hardware and software failure and restore the data if required. Multiple user interface. It provides different type of user interface like GUI graphical user interface, API application program interfaces. Centralized database. A centralized database is basically a type of database that is stored, located, as well as maintained at a single location only. Multiple users can access this single database. This type of database is modified and managed from that location itself. It is easy to manage, update, and backup of data. It is the diagram of centralized database. Here, client 1, client 2, 3 and 4 both are connected centralized database. These all use same database. Centralized database. This location in thus mainly many database system or a centralized computer system. The centralized location is accessed by an internet connection. This centralized database is mainly used by institutions or organizations. Advantages of centralized database. Since all data is stored at the same single location, only thus it is easy to access and coordinate data. The centralized database has very minimal data redundancy since all data is stored in a single place. It is cheaper in comparison to all other databases available. Disadvantages of centralized database. The data traffic in the case of a centralized database is more. If any kind of system failure occur in the centralized system, then the entire data will be destroyed. Distributed database. A distributed database is basically a type of database which consists of multiple databases that are connected with each other and are spread across different physical locations. The data that is stored in various physical locations can thus be managed independently or other physical locations. The communication between databases at different physical locations is thus done by a computer network. Diagram of distributed database. Here is the database is distributed in many places. Advantages of distributed database. This database can be easily expanded as data is already spread across different physical locations. This distributed database can easily be accessed from different networks. This database is more secure in comparison to a centralized database. Disadvantages of distributed database. This database is very costly and is difficult to maintain because it is complexity. It is difficult to provide a uniform view to users since it is spread across different physical locations. Popular DBMS software: MySQL, Microsoft Access, Oracle, DBase, FoxPro, SQLite, IBM DB2. Components of DBMS: hardware, software, data, database, access language, procedures, and user. All other form the component of a database. Now discuss in detail. Hardware. The hardware is the actual computer system used for keeping and accessing the database. The conventional DBMS hardware consists of secondary storage devices such as hard disk. Database run on the range of machines from microcomputer to mainframe. Software. Software is the actual DBMS between the physical database and the user of the system. All the requests from the user for accessing the DBMS database are handled by DBMS. Data. It is an important component of the database management system. The main task of DBMS is to process the data. Database are used to store the data retrieved and update to and from the databases. Users. There are a number of users who can access or retrieve the data on demand using the application and the interface provided by the DBMS. Data warehouse. A data warehouse is a type of data management system that is designed to enable and support business intelligence, BI activities, especially analysis. Data warehouses are intended to perform queries and analysis and often contain large amount of historical data. The data within the data warehouse is usually derived from a wide range of sources such as application log file and transaction application. Functions of data warehouse tool and utilities. Data extraction involves gathering data from multiple heterogeneous sources. Data cleaning involves finding and correcting the error in data. Data transformation involves converting the data from legacy format to warehouse format. Refreshing involves updating from data source to warehouse. Benefits of a data warehouse. Subject oriented. They can analyze data about a particular subject or functional area. Integrated. Data warehouse create consistency among different data types from disparate sources. Non-volatile. Once data is in a data warehouse, it is stable and does not change. Time variant. Data warehouse analysis look at change over time. Data warehouse applications. Data warehouse are widely used in the following fields: financial service, banking service, consumer goods, retail sector, controlled manufacturing. Data mining. Data mining is the process of sorting through large data sets to identify patterns and relationships that can help solve business problems through data analysis. Data mining technique and tools enable enterprise to predict future trends and make more informed business decisions. Data mining is the process of investigating hidden patterns of information to various perspectives for categorization into useful data, which is collected and assembled in particular area such as data warehouse, efficient analysis, data mining algorithm, helping decision making and other data required to eventually cost cutting and generating revenue. Data mining is defined as extraction information from a huge set of data. In other words, we can say that data mining is the procedure of mining knowledge from data. Advantages of data mining. The data mining technique enables organization to obtain knowledge-based data. Data mining enables organization to make modifications in operation and production. Compared with other statistical data application, data mining is cost efficient. Data mining helps the decision making process of an organization. It facilitates the automated discovery of hidden patterns as well as the prediction of trend and behavior. It can be included in the new system as well as the existing platform. Disadvantages of data mining. There are a probability that the organization may sell useful data of customer to other organization for money. As per the report, American Express has sold credit card purchase of their customer to other organizations. Many data mining analytics software is difficult to operate and need advanced training on work on it. Data mining applications, data mining in healthcare, data mining in market analysis, data mining in education, data mining in customer relationship management, CRM, data mining in fraud detection. Challenges of implementation of data mining: incomplete and noisy data, data distribution, complex data, performance, data privacy and security, data visualization. I hope you like this video. For more videos like this, please subscribe to Study with Harshit. For Unit 1 and Unit 2 complete revision videos, please check the description, and you can also visit our YouTube channel Study with Harshit, where you will find the videos. Please like this video and share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel Study with Harshit. Thank you so much.